Morning, dear listeners. I am Asuduram. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I discuss with you the error detection part 6. Number 1 is the manager was unhappy at Ali because he did not complete his work on time. The manager was the first one is also right, unhappy at Ali because he did not is also correct, complete. After that, there is a first form, his work in time. Manager was is also correct, did not is also right, his work is also correct. So obviously the mistake is in B part, and after unhappy we use with, so there would be with Ali, not at Ali. So the error is in B part. Number 2 is I have not attended many parties since my father had died. This is present perfect. Have is also right because we use have after I, and not attended is the third form is also there, many parties since is also there, but my father had died, it is past perfect, so we use here past indefinite in place of past perfect. So father died would be, so the error is in D part. Number 3 is the audience stood quietly for a few moments. The audience is correct, stood is also right, quietly for few moments is also correct, but for a moment would be, so there the mistake is in C part, we will write a few. Number 4 is a lot of one's character depends upon is early brought up in his family. So a lot is also correct. One's character right depends upon his correct. His is also right. Early there would be bringing up in place of brought up. So the error is in D part. Number 5 is if he have time he will contact you. Have the use of have is have is used with I, we, you, they, and has is used with he, she, it, or name. So there is the subject he. So we will write has in place of have. So the error is in A part. Number 6 is his class fellows are coming on this train. His is also right. Class fellows plural it is also right after coming. Coming is fourth form. It is continuous tense. It is also correct. So on this train we know we use here by this train in place of on. So the error is in D part, and on comes with the foot, but by comes with the train also, by air, by car, by train. So dear guys, this was all about the error detection part 6, which I have discussed with you. And in the end I would request you that kindly do subscribe and share and keep watching my channel, because this will help you a lot. I hope that you have understood well. Thank you. Asuduram Mirpumathilo.